Hello again, it's Noob, and here is something, well, a little unusual from my perspective as a lockpicker and collector. This is a tricircle cast iron. You can tell sort of by the finish, can't you? And it's chipped off a bit on that side. It's a tricircle padlock, but look, it's a cross-lock padlock as well. And as a lockpicker and collector, I try to find as many of these cross-lock padlocks as I can because they're a really rare configuration. I think Robur and Matlock do one, but I've never seen until this lock a tricircle iron padlock version. This I actually got on a trade in LockCon about 3 years ago, and I absolutely love this lock because I love unusual configurations. I like ones with tubular locks, cross locks, all that kind of stuff, just because it's more unusual and rare. But I'd never seen Tricircle make one of these. 16 pins, I believe, in this. You align the little cutout with the little circle on the lock. That'll allow this to open. It is shimmerable, it is brittle, and probably will rust. So it's not a great lock in some regards, but as a collector, very, very cool. Right, let's try and pick this, and I'm going to pick it in a slightly unconventional way. And no, I'm not going to edit that out. Wow, really stumbling with my words. All right, see you in a second. So we are in the vise, and here is that 16 pin key. Tensioning this lock is very, very difficult, just because there isn't a good place to tension it from, but I'm going to try and tension it from this side with a piece of bent wiper blade. And picking it's going to be weird. I'm going to try to sort of feel and rake my way through. I've got a hook, which it's a monkey paw, and I'm going to just try to go in and just sort of rake with the back of the hook, and if I need to, I can push down with the pins with the front of the hook as well. So just going to go in each side and just see if there's anything. So top right gave me something. Can't feel anything on the bottom right yet. A little bit of something on the top left there. Oh, and at the and at the top left again on the front, and look, open. So that is raking with the back of the curve of this hook. I don't need to press down any pins at all. I've tried picking this pin by pin, and it's possible, but it does take a while because you've got to feel your way through the lock on every single side, see which one's binding, and you don't know which one's going to bind in turn. So you're really feeling your way through 4 different bittings, 4 different angles. It's a real pain and can take ages, but it is a really fascinating lock. I've never seen one of these tricircles before. I saw this one at LockCon, and I've not seen one since. I've had a search for this type of lock on eBay for a while. It just never comes up with the cross lock, and whilst it's clearly not a good lock in terms of security and construction, is that horrible iron padlocks, which they're going to rust up, aren't they? But still, as a collector, really cool. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, then hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.